Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve question number 2678 from LeetCode, number of senior citizens. So in this problem we are given with a zero index array of strings details. Each element of details provide information about a given passenger, compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 characters consist of a phone number of passengers, next character denotes the gender of the person. The following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person. The last two characters determines the seat allocated to that system. At last, we have to return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. So let's try to explain this problem with examples. So we have example of array consists of three strings. So let's go with first string. So we have 15 character long string in which first 10 characters are phone number, then the 11th character is gender of the person, then two characters denote the age of that person, and the last two characters denotes the seat allocated. But we have to only concern with these two characters, age of the person. So we have to check that the age of that person, index number 11 and 12, makes greater than or less than 60. So we are here we have age of person is 75, which is greater than 60. So it will count to 1. So in the next thing we have age is 92, which is also greater than 60. So we will count again. So 1 plus 1, 2. Then we will go with third string. Is it greater than 60? No, so we don't count it. And in this code, we are going to use this special method. This is the main thing we are going to use. STOI, index of details, or substring, index position. So maybe you are uh, familiar with this thing, but what is STOI? So STOI is used to convert a string into a number, and substr used to take a substring from a string with a starting point is index and position last to that uh, position. So let's try to code this. So we have first of all we have to take integer variable count, which will initialize from 0. Then we have a for loop or int I equals to 0 to I less than details dot size details.size to I plus plus. Then we will also now take a variable int age. Here we will use stoi details I dot sub sub str. We are going with position 11, index number of 11 to position for 2. Now we have if condition, if age greater than 60, then may count plus plus, and at last we will return count. So let's try to run this code, and our code is run successfully and all test cases are accepted. Now let's try to submit this code. So our code is accepted. Let's go to time complexity and space complexity of this code. So for time complexity, first our loop runs for n times where n equals to details dot size. Then we are again going for a details I dot substr. That substr takes 0 order of k time where k equals to 2, where k equals to 2, and this is constant here, so effectively it will be order of 1. Now we have third condition, stoi converts the two-character string into an integer. This is also order of 1 because the string length is fixed. So if condition constant type check order of 1, so for iteration order of 1, total time taken is order of n. So time complexity is order of n. Now for space complexity, we are taking a variable count, which is order of 1. Then we are taking another variable age, order of 1, and then we are going with substring 11 or index 11 to position 2 creates a temporary string of length 2. So this is also order 1. So no extra space proportional to n is used. So space complexity is order of 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.